She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we got some rear view mirror covers. They are in the pattern of carbon fiber, but it is not carbon fiber, it's just ABS plastic. I couldn't find any real carbon fiber, so I just went with these. These did cost me around 50 bucks. I did get them off eBay. They look amazing. Have little details on the side. I did get these because they are different from what everybody has. I seen everyone just has the regular caps, you know. I just decided to do something different. I will be showing you guys how to remove old ones if you guys do have an old one, and installing these. It's pretty simple, but just thought I'd make another video on it because people were asking about where I did get my original ones that I do have on my car. Luckily enough, I did get some real carbon fiber side skirts, as you can see. Let's just compare the difference between fake carbon fiber and real carbon fiber. Big difference. Look at those patterns just shine off from the flash of the video. Looks super cool. I will make another video on these side skirts, so you guys stay tuned. Will come out soon. But for right now, let's get these rear view mirrors installed on. So all you'll need is some glue gun, just in case that 3M is stuck on the paint, some Windex to clean it up, a squeegee, this one's all messed up but it'll do, a microfiber towel, and a heat gun to heat up the original cap that you have on. If you don't have an original one, you should be fine. So this is what I have on right now. Just gonna get some heat, get a heat gun, put it over the 3M and remove it. So first step is make sure that you slowly heat the outer edges of that cap, because that's where the 3M is. If you do not have one on your car already, you can skip the video, and I do show out how to install the normal one. But I do give a tip is, you know, have an extra hand. If you don't have an extra hand, make sure you heat that edge slowly so the 3M could get heated up and rip off nice and easily. Don't worry, that squeegee won't mess up your paint. I'll show in the video that it does not. See, it pops right off. But I did have some residue left over, so if you do have some residue left over, you can use some glue gun. But in my case, I just rubbed it right off and it came right off. The next step to do is get some Windex and make sure it's very clean, because you're going to put some new 3M on there. You want that to stick on there, you don't want it to fall off. If you want, you can run it over with some isopropyl alcohol, but you should be fine with some Windex. Then all you got to do is take off that pesky 3M, which is so annoying, man. I don't know how long I took to take off that 3M. But a quick tip on this installation process: do not press hard on the cap. Make sure that it's aligned first and then you press down. As you can see, I show it better on this one, where I make sure it's aligned up and then I press down. That's the best way to do it, and that's basically all you do. This video was very quick and simple. Remember, I do have a side skirt video coming soon, and I also have a new shift knob that I got. It's a carbon fiber shift knob, real carbon fiber, of course. I'll show you guys how to do it, but here's a quick look on how it looks. Looks pretty cool. Give you guys some good angles. Now it's time to get inside the car, show you guys how it looks inside, because some of you guys asked that too on my Instagram. You know, it doesn't interrupt any vision at all. You can see perfectly fine with them. Also, as you can see, I did get a bunch of carbon fiber interior. I got that carbon fiber shift knob. It looks great. I will show you guys how to install that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you guys for watching, always liking my videos, always commenting on my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. We're so close to 700 subscribers. Can't wait to hit that 1,000 subscribers. I will do a giveaway. I don't know what, you know, maybe comment down below if you got this far and let me know. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.